This visualization shows the massive, interconnected architecture of a modern neural network. Deep learning systems ingest millions of data points, continuously updating weights and probabilities through complex, fluid layers of mathematical calculus. But the moment that continuous structure is asked to render a specific decision, like approving a loan or diagnosing a patient, the system goes completely dark. You can see the input, and you get an output, but the exact reasoning inside that black box is mathematically opaque. This photograph shows the European Parliament, the governing body responsible for the EU AI Act. This strict legal framework mandates algorithmic transparency, giving citizens a right to know exactly how an artificial intelligence arrived at a decision affecting their lives. Traditional neural networks fail these audits by their very design. Because their foundation relies on continuous calculus, where every single variable slightly nudges the final probability, it is mathematically impossible to isolate the exact singular cause of any specific output. In highly regulated sectors like banking and healthcare, this opacity creates systemic fragility. An AI denying a mortgage or flagging a medical anomaly without an explicit, verifiable reason exposes institutions to massive liability and renders the tool untrustworthy. Modern AI is hitting a regulatory wall. The industry has scaled data and compute to extreme levels, but it remains tethered to a continuous mathematical foundation that makes transparency structurally impossible. The alternative is SMLE, Symbolic Machine Learning via Exactor. SMLE abandons continuous calculus entirely, replacing it with Boolean logic, the discrete mathematics of absolute true and false states. Traditional machine learning relies on fuzzy gradients that shift. Boolean algebra operates in sharp, discrete steps of absolute certainty. SMLE substitutes wavering probability scores with exhaustive logical rules. Instead of calculating an 82% likelihood, it explicitly states conditions, making it undeniably true. Transitioning from continuous curves to discrete logic removes the black box entirely. By forcing the data through rigorous, human-readable algebra, mathematical transparency is baked directly into the model structure. This diagram illustrates the first stage of the SMLE process, binarization. The system takes chaotic, noisy numerical data and forces it into strict categories of zeros and ones, creating a clear, discrete baseline. Those newly binarized variables are then projected into an abstract, multidimensional space known as a Boolean hypercube. Every single piece of data maps perfectly to a specific geometric corner. Inside this space, SMLE utilizes a three-value state system. A variable can only exist in one of three absolute states: true, represented by green, false, represented by red, or a neutral, don't care state, represented by gray, for variables that do not affect the outcome. To capture complex patterns within this cube, the system uses mutually exclusive logic gates, specifically AND, NOT, and XOR. These act as physical building blocks, isolating specific clusters of data without overlapping. This geometric structure completely eliminates guesswork. It does not calculate the probability of a data point belonging to a group. It constructs the absolute mathematical laws that dictate its placement. The core of SMLE is a combinatorial search system called the Exactor engine. To test its ability to find these logical laws, researchers ran it through the classic Tic-Tac-Toe dataset, a collection of 958 distinct board configurations, determining a clear win for player X. The results are highly explicit. Analyzing the dataset, the Exactor engine successfully discovered exactly 185 unique logical segments that reliably predict a winning board. The Exactor engine achieved a 99.1% F1 score, a statistical metric that balances precision and recall, and a flawless 100% global precision rate across the board. This confusion matrix shows the most critical detail of that test: 0 false positives. Out of 615 true positive predictions made by the system, not a single incorrect board was mislabeled as a win. The absence of false positives in this dataset shows how the Exactor engine identifies discrete, verifiable patterns. By mapping every prediction to an explicit logical law, the system avoids the probabilistic guesswork that often leads to model hallucinations. This diagram maps out how an SMLE formula translates into the real world. Unlike the unreadable weights of a neural network, a discrete Boolean rule can be instantly translated into readable Python code, SQL database scripts, or plain natural language. This native multi-language translation guarantees total regulatory compliance out of the box. Under laws like the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, companies can instantly provide auditors and citizens with the exact plain text explanation for any automated decision. This side-by-side comparison shows the security advantage of discrete math. In a continuous neural network on the left, an attacker changing a single tiny pixel can alter the final prediction. SMLE on the right possesses adversarial immunity. An SMLE prediction cannot be hacked, tricked, or broken by subtle noise unless the attacker pushes the data far enough to cross an exact physical threshold built into the logic gate. This extreme stability and transparency make SMLE the ideal tool for highly regulated industries like medicine and finance. It is particularly effective in environments where training data is scarce or where human expert knowledge needs to be integrated directly into the algorithm. The push for reliable automation does not require a surrender to impenetrable black boxes. Real accountability in artificial intelligence requires a return to transparent, auditable, symbolic reasoning.